맛있어. Fish cakes. I think I'm gonna use about 4 pieces of fish cakes because I'm gonna cut them all up. Nah, I'll make it 6. Hot water. I'm going to let it sit for about a minute or 2. Perilla leaves. It's been washed already. Okay. It's time to rinse the fish cake. Be careful, water is still hot. Just gonna rinse it. Give it a quick rinse. Going to slice them up. Garlic. I'd say 1.5 tablespoons. Soy sauce. 1, 2. Oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon. Sugar. 1 tablespoon. 고추장, Korean hot pepper paste. 1 tablespoon. Maybe 1.5. Okay, sauce is done. Avocado oil. Give it a shush. Gonna add the sauce. Shouldn't cook more than a couple more minutes. Just a minute or 2 will be more than enough because we did put the fish cake in hot water. We're gonna be adding the sesame seed oil at the end. Yeah, it looks like it's about done. You could just eat this as a side dish actually, just with rice if you want. Okay, gonna turn off the heat. Drizzle some sesame seed oil. There you go. Some sesame seed. That's done. Salt. About a teaspoon. Sugar. Teaspoon. sesame seed oil. About a tablespoon. Sesame seeds. Half a tablespoon. Mix it all around. Oh no, sorry. One more. Vinegar. Can't forget the vinegar. About 2 tablespoons. I would say this is about 3 to 4 serving. All right. Okay. This seaweed is from Wando, one of the best kind you can get. Okay. You want to put the food on a rough side. Okay. Let's put the rice. Press the rice down. I'm gonna put the perilla leaves. Okay. Cut the ends here. The fish cakes we have cooked earlier. I'm gonna line it all up like this. 6 to 7 pieces. Okay. Let's roll. I grab it like this. Push it all down. I'm gonna roll it. And water. See? Sesame seed oil. Sesame seed. That's 1. We also need some lettuce. Yeah, just push down the rice a little bit. Okay. This time I'm gonna use lettuce. Fish cakes. Okay, let's see if I could roll this up. Water. Another one down. These are popcorn shrimps. Lettuce. Okay. Popcorn shrimp. There's some mayo or Miracle Whip. Just gonna get that in there a little bit. Okay, Oh, let's add some shrimp in here too. Yeah, and a little bit of mayo. Done. Now it's time to cut it. This is with the fish cakes only. This is the shrimp.